what in the I have seen this movie before is happening with these freaking birds out here at the Slab Lab. Oh, that's a big one. That is a beautiful winter bluegill. Let me bring him over this way. No, brother. Where are you going? Look at that bluegill. Can we do some science stuff? Can we measure you? There's a fine Slab Lab specimen. See that? Big old beautiful fish. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Such a beautiful fish. Pull that jaw tech out of its mouth. We're gonna let you go, bud, until we meet again. It pooped all over me. That is gross, even for me. Look at that. Oh, I'm wrong. He's right at 11-inch stunning bluegill. $11 inches. Beautiful fish. Let me get down off this rail so I can get it, y'all. Because that one is a little bit bigger than I thought it was. Goodness. What a beast. What a beast. Look at that fish. And look at that fish. Stunning. Probably should have weighed that one. Fish, slab, slime. It's the new drip. Get you some.